What's up, everybody? My name is Ben Kensington. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. All right, so this video is actually shot a few months prior to today. This was a beautiful Arizona morning where I woke up to some noise in the front of my house on my driveway. Lo and behold, it was a Hardworkers LLC. This had been in the works. If you've seen previous videos that I posted about how to grow grass in the hot temperatures of Arizona, this is a video I said I would post in the future. Okay, so my backyard patio, I wanted to lay down some concrete pavers, Phoenix pavers, native pavers to be exact. My boy Jason from the Hardworkers LLC, I'll be interviewing him in this video, and you guys can check out the entire process on this video. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Smash up that like button, hit the subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Okay, so let's get to work. You see that I have the Hardworkers LLC out at my property, and they are loading up the dirt. They are getting the concrete pavers loaded onto my property. I love these pavers, Phoenix pavers, native pavers to be exact. This is just phase one. This is going to be a long-term project that I have at my house. I want to put pavers all around the areas where the rocks are. I don't like rock landscape. These pavers will go in my front yard, side driveway, all the way to my backyard. Okay, so as you can see, my boy Jason brought the dirt, all the sand, and laid it out right in the street off the sidewalk in the front of my house. This is my backyard, my back gate. As you can see, my backyard is all rocks. Okay, if you've been following my channel, you can see my entire backyard was all rocks when I purchased this property, and this has just been a phase. I put grass in, paved it around with native pavers as well, and now where all this rock is on my patio and where my patio cover is, right to my sliding door, we are going to put pavers. I didn't want to put pavers on top of my patio. I'm actually going to paint that. I'm going to paint the walls, but where these rocks are is going to be all pavers. Long-term project, backside of the backyard as well. If you know a rock hauling company, call me. Please reach out to me. But anyway, let's enjoy this video and let's jump into it. All right, so get my patio paved today. As you can see from the back, I'm gonna end up moving this AC to the corner. Gonna do it from here to here, to the back side of the house. All the way here, don't mind, I'm reseeding my grass. Getting this done here. And redoing the concrete with the pavers. All the way down here to the sides and the side of the house, to the back of the house. So pretty much getting the whole backyard done. Getting everything paved, everything looking right, and redoing my entire patio. This is going to be a lot of work, but the finished product is going to look good. I'm using my boy Jay from the Hardworkers LLC, and he does a real good job. Jason, Jitty Bo, call him Jitty Boo, and we're going to get this done. Probably a day or two project. This is my man right here, Jason from the Hardworkers LLC.
The Hardworkers, baby.
Just did my whole patio.
That's right. Check me out on Facebook, the Hardworkers LLC. I'm on TikTok. I don't do no dancing. It's all work here. You know what I mean?
That's what's up. Yep, we got his son over here working with him too.
TheHardworkersLLC.com.
Yep. Check out my man. I'm
Email
telling
me, thehardworkers@yahoo.com.
you. Yeah.
We do it all.
Yep, the go-to. What do you do? What do you usually do?
Hardscape, pavers, and travertine, outdoor kitchens, fireplaces, fire pits, pergolas, ramadas, gazebos. We do it all. Stack stone. Whatever you need, we could do it. Give us a call.
See, that's the man. That's him right there, Jason. What's your, you're on Yelp?
I'm on Yelp, the hard
Facebook,
workers. The
Facebook.
hard workers. That's what you want to hire. You don't want one of these lazy guys who's going to go hire me to come work for you. You know, you don't want the middleman. You want the man, the hard workers.
You heard it right there. That's the man. Just killed it. Did an amazing job on my patio. So definitely got to check it out. All right, y'all.
Peace.
We out. And I'll keep updating you guys on my channel on the progress of this project. As you can see, I do have a covered patio, but I want to extend it from one side of the house to the other side of the house. All right. So stay tuned for some updates. I'll keep you guys updated on my YouTube channel. I'll also keep you updated on this grass here. It's pretty bad. And just follow me on this journey on my YouTube channel. Just give you guys a little insight into my life and kind of what I do around the house and what I do to my own house as far as upgrades go. My home was built around 2005, 2006, so there's some upgrades that need to be taking place, and I'm going to show you guys some updates. So stay tuned to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Getting the dirt putting down right now. As you can see, got a lot of work to do. From here on, lifting up the paver. That's the concrete right there. Original pavers. Like I said, don't mind my grass. I'm reseeding the grass. Doing a lot of work back here. So, and this is my patio cover. That's what I have now.